welcome to page 4. Let me grab my favorite pointer. All right, and you might be looking at this like, she wants me to write an introduction? All right, listen, let's start. Let's just get in there. Let's jump right in. All right, the work we've done will enable us to write this like super quick. All right, so you can double click right in here and write. Okay, I put the prompt right here again. Here are your resources. All right, this whole paragraph sets the stage for our whole essay. In body 1, we're going to talk about the first pair of the words, connotation, and body 2, we're going to talk about the second. Does this sound like Greek to you? All right, let me refresh your memory. Okay, it's paragraph 1, introduction. It's introduce the title, author, and give a brief summary of the text. T, take the question prompt up here and put it in your own words. S, summarize your answer to the question or prompt in a thesis. Now on page 3, we kind of have our thesis right here, which hopefully we continued. But I want to go over the whole essay. I want us to get organized, okay? All right, so we want to get organized. The introduction is where we introduce it, summarize it, restate the prompt, and answer it with a thesis statement. All right, sample thesis, use or lose. The thesis statement is the last sentence, and here it is. The creators of the commercial use word choice and connotation to create the tone of the commercial, which is, okay? Body 1, first pair, word choice and connotation. First, the creators use word choice and connotation to create the tone in the commercial. Body 2, second pair, etc. Conclusion. That's our overview. All right, pause and take a second look at this. All right, welcome back. Okay. Introduction, all right? Be sure to include the text or commercial, author, and short summary of the text. All right, so we don't really know the author of this one, do we? Really? Okay, but you do want to say what it is. So I have a starter for you there. In Pantene's labels against women digital ad. That's enough. Okay, and comma, then you want to give a brief summary of the text. All right, so what happens in this? Just pause and think about it. All right, I'm glad you paused. Welcome back. Did you really pause, guys? I don't know. All right, so what do we see? We see men and women being labeled differently for doing the same things. Do I want you to write this exactly? No. Do I want you to write a version of this? Yes. Okay, then we're going to take the question or prompt and rewrite it in our own words. So up here is the prompt. It says the Pantene commercial explores the labels given to men and women. Okay, the commercial, any version of this you want. Okay, explores labels given. Okay, so you want to write that. Pause and write that. Welcome back. I'm going to write what you just wrote. And then we're going to go into our S. Summarize your answer to the question or prompt with a thesis statement. Okay, so then you're going to go back to 3 because we have our thesis here. You wrote it out. The creators use word choice and connotation to create the tone of the commercial, which is whatever you wrote right here. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do, because I'm a savvy worker, is I'm just going to highlight this, Control C, go back over to my 4. Double click, Control V. Okay, and then I'm going to go back over. If you want to add a little bit more summary to this, feel free. I'm just giving you the bare bones. Okay, and then I'm going to go, which is pessimistic. Control C. Back over here. And then I'm going to take out the I because there's no place for I. We're just going to make a statement. All right, then I'm going to reread what I have. In Pantene's labels against women digital ad, we see men and women being labeled differently for doing the same things. If you want to add another sentence there, go ahead. The commercial explores the labels society gives to men and women. The creators use word choice and connotation to create the tone of the commercial, which is pessimistic, but turns optimistic or even empowering. we answered that question? Yeah. But now it says use at least 2 examples